Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using the platform. TaxBit, https://taxbit.com, is a platform designed to simplify the often complex process of calculating and reporting taxes related to cryptocurrency transactions. Navigating the world of crypto taxes can be a daunting task, and TaxBit aims to alleviate the stress and confusion often associated with this process. They offer a range of tools and services catered to both individuals and businesses involved in cryptocurrency trading, investing, and other related activities. For individual users, TaxBit provides a way to track transactions across various exchanges and wallets, automatically calculating gains and losses. This helps users accurately determine their tax obligations and simplifies the often tedious process of manually tracking and reconciling transactions. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and integrates with numerous popular exchanges, streamlining the data import process. Businesses also benefit from TaxBit's robust suite of tools. Their enterprise-grade solutions offer features such as automated accounting, audit trails, and tax optimization strategies. These features can be invaluable for businesses operating within the cryptocurrency space, ensuring compliance and minimizing potential tax liabilities. TaxBit helps businesses navigate the complexities of crypto taxation in a secure and efficient manner. TaxBit's user-friendly interface aims to make crypto tax reporting accessible to users of all experience levels, from seasoned traders to those just starting out in the world of digital assets. The platform guides users through the necessary steps, offering resources and support to ensure a smooth and accurate tax reporting experience. This focus on user experience helps to demystify the process and empowers users to take control of their crypto taxes. They also offer different tiers of service to meet varying needs and budgets, making it a versatile solution for individuals and businesses alike. With the evolving regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies, TaxBit provides a crucial service, helping users stay compliant and avoid potential penalties. They continuously update their platform to reflect current tax laws and regulations, ensuring that users always have access to the most up-to-date information. So, if you're looking to simplify your crypto tax reporting, check out TaxBit at https://taxbit.com.